OpenVAS is set up. I'm going to fire up Firefox. And in order to get to OpenVAS, we go to HTTPS and localhost colon 9392. And just as in the other cases, we've got a self-signed certificate. And so I'm going to confirm a security exception. And the username is going to be admin. And I'm going to paste in the password that I was provided. Now we've got the Greenbone Security Assistant. You can see here that we can do this very easily, and this may be the best way to just get started. You could go into scan management and start a task and create a scan that way. You can create hosts in asset management, and of course, you can go into configuration. But the easiest thing to do is just to plug an IP address in. So we're going to say 192.168.86.68. Now I can just say start scan. That's just a very fast way of getting started with a scan. So you can see right here underneath there, what it says is it's going to create a new target with a default port list, create a new task using this target with default scan configuration, and start the scan task right away. So we could do essentially the same thing. We're actually on the tasks view here, and we could go to a task wizard and we could walk through the task wizard to be able to create a scan. We could build scans to do a number of different things that we want to do. So it's similar in the sense that it's a vulnerability scanner, and there are a number of different ways of doing scans. The challenge with OpenVAS is it's a less intuitive interface than the other ones that we have looked at. There's a lot of text here, and you can look through this, but there's nothing immediately, as you can see, that says, oh, by the way, we're just going to create a new scan, or we're going to add assets, or the other approaches that we had previously used with Nexpose and Nessus, for example. So you can certainly go through and do a new task here, for example, and we could create the scan and say, my house, add a comment. We could add a target that has previously been configured. At this point, we've got localhost and the target that I had provided before. I could add a schedule and I could add the results to asset management and then delete or not delete reports and so forth. I could create a task, and then once we've got the task, we could start the task to create the scan. But as I said, one of the advantages of using OpenVAS is it's just got this quick start to be able to go and run scans from.